Hi, this is Shah, and we have come to our sixth card of Lenormand, and that is Cloud. Clouds is about problems, confusion, challenges. It can also mean pollution, bad weather. Pollution may not be only of air, it can also be about of water. Cloud, as you would know, is a negative card. Basically, it's a negative card. So, and I have seen card as a sign of depression as well sometimes. So card can be confusion, problems. In some cases it is okay, I don't want to say that, but mostly it's confusion, unclarity, uncertainty, tensions, stress, pollution. It can be air pollution, bad weather. This is a negative card. So usually what it surrounds with can ease certain cloudiness, but the cloud itself is a negative connotation to anything that it adds to. But it also depends on the position. But because we are not speaking of position right now, we are speaking of what does the card mean. So for you, you got the basic information. I hope you would write it down. And if you want to add your own, you can do that. However, I'd really suggest you to keep it simple, maybe basic meanings, 4 or 5 maximum. That would help. So, clouds is done. See you in the next card.